The sun seems stable and reliable, but one day, it will no longer be the star we know. In this video, we'll explore what science says about the fate of our planet in the face of the sun's final fury, and when it might be swallowed by it. Like every star, the sun has a life cycle. It's already lived about half of its estimated 10 billion-year lifespan. Though it seems constant, it's changing. Every million years, it becomes slightly hotter and brighter. These changes are invisible in daily life but relentless on a cosmic scale. The end of the sun, though distant, is inevitable, and its transformation will affect the entire solar system, including Earth. When the hydrogen in its core runs out, the sun will begin fusing helium and expand enormously, becoming a red giant. Its radius may reach Earth's orbit. The surface will become cooler, but its overall size will be immense. The light that once sustained life will turn into a destructive force. The solar atmosphere will engulf the inner planets and cause severe impacts to Earth's structure, constantly bombarding it with extreme heat. As the sun approaches, solar winds will intensify drastically, stripping Earth's atmosphere through a slow but relentless erosion. The protective layers of gases will dissolve into space, exposing the planet to deadly levels of radiation. Auroras that once danced across the sky will be replaced by violent solar storms. Life will become unsustainable long before Earth is physically consumed by the expanding star. With Earth's atmosphere compromised and solar heat intensifying, the oceans will begin to boil. Water will evaporate uncontrollably, forming vapor clouds that will eventually escape into space. The water cycle will collapse. Regions once covered by seas will turn into scorched deserts. Earth's blue will fade into a cracked, dry brown crust, as the planet slowly becomes unrecognizable and hostile. All life that managed to survive up to this point will vanish. With no water, no atmosphere, and unbearable heat, Earth will become an arid and uninhabitable world. Continents will be covered in ash and dust. No plants will grow. No animals will endure. What remains will be a dead landscape, where time feels frozen. A planet once full of color and life, reduced to a scorched rock orbiting a dying sun. As the sun expands and its gravitational forces shift, Earth's orbit will become unstable. Slowly, the planet will begin spiraling closer to the star. Each millennium, Earth will inch toward the fiery giant. Tides, seasonal cycles, and the planet's rotation will be drastically disrupted. It marks the beginning of the end of the orbital path that sustained life for billions of years. Before Earth meets its fate, Mercury and Venus will already have been consumed. These inner planets will succumb to the red giant's expansion. Simulations show them melting and disappearing in a matter of days. With them gone, Earth becomes the inevitable next target. Watching the destruction of these worlds makes it clear, our planet's destiny is sealed. Earth now follows a slow, fatal spiral. The planet heats up irreversibly. Tidal forces grow stronger. The crust begins to crack. Volcanic eruptions occur in chains, worsening the devastation. Earth spins faster, trying to maintain balance, but fails. Everything points to one outcome: a final collision with the sun's incandescent surface. The instant Earth touches the sun's outer atmosphere will trigger an immense release of energy. The planet's crust will disintegrate almost instantly. Its core will be shattered by thermal and gravitational forces. Earth will dissolve into fragments of rock and vapor, vanishing within the deafening brilliance of the star that once gave birth to everything. All that remains is the sun, now slightly altered after absorbing an entire planet. There is no trace of Earth, no soil, no oceans, no history. The space where we once orbited is empty. Our satellites, our memories, and everything ever built has been erased. A blue dot that once shined in the cosmos is now reduced to fused particles in the solar furnace. After devouring Earth and the inner planets, the sun enters its final phase. Though immense, it becomes unstable. Coronal mass ejections grow more frequent. It pulses in intensity, and its core begins to collapse. Its outer layers peel off in rings of plasma and gas. The light begins to fade. The great star that ruled our sky for billions of years now falters, about to end its stellar cycle in a dramatic and irreversible way. With its fuel exhausted and outer layers lost, what remains of the Sun is a hot, dense core, a white dwarf. This bright sphere, the size of Earth, shines intensely but no longer produces energy. Its light is a remnant of the past. Around it, the remnants of its former glory drift like a cosmic mist. The star that once gave life is now just a stellar fossil floating in the void of the universe. With the inner planets gone and the Sun reduced to a white dwarf, the solar system becomes a cosmic graveyard. Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn continue in cold, silent orbits. No light or warmth reaches them. Moons freeze. Space is ruled by darkness. What was once a vibrant, energetic home is now a frozen memory in time, a system where life once existed, and then was gone. Despite Earth's fate, humanity may have found a way to escape. Massive ships may have departed for other star systems. Perhaps we are now colonizing distant exoplanets. The extinction of Earth doesn't have to mean the end of our species. Human history can continue, sailing among the stars, carrying the memory of the lost planet that once sheltered us beneath the Sun's light. The end of Earth and the Sun reminds us of the fragility of all things. No star is eternal. No planet is safe from cosmic time. Destruction is certain, but it's also part of the universe's cycle. As we contemplate our stellar future, we are reminded to cherish the present, life itself, and the pursuit of knowledge. Because even the Sun, with all its power, will one day leave behind only silence and dust. The universe is bigger than we can comprehend. And its mysteries are only beginning. Every day, a new video awaits you here. If you're drawn to the unknown, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, and keep exploring the dark side of the cosmos with us.